Hello, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. We're gonna make peach cobbler today. I've got 3 cups of flour and a teaspoon of salt here. And I'm going to add to that a cup of Crisco. Okay. And with my totally clean hands, I'm going to mix it together. Okay, and I'm going to do this until I get it to it's like cornmeal consistency. Okay, we've got it like almost like meal here. And then I'm going to pour it in ice water. And we're going to just let it soak it up. Now this is 2 recipes of dough. If you're going to make the little square one, you can just make half of this. But I'm going to make the big Pyrex. Okay, I'm going to add a little more water. Just got to make sure there ain't no dry stuff on the bottom. And it all makes a dough. Now I'm going to make 2 balls. And we'll roll it out. Okay. Making 2 balls here, and then we're going to roll it out. Okay, I'm going to put it in the ice box for a little while I do the peaches. Okay, I got 3 cans of Freestone peaches. These are the kind I like to use. I haven't been able to find them. Okay, then we're going to put some. They're already got in a heavy syrup, but I'm going to add yet more sugar. Okay, this is a cup of sugar, and I've got 3 tablespoons of flour here. And I'm going to put a little of the sugar in there and stir it together and try to get the lumps out. Yeah, I think we got it. Okay, it's all mixed up now. I'm going to start rolling dough. Okay, I'm going to roll the dough out here. Just press it down with this and pour a little more flour. Okay, we're going to roll from the middle all around the edges, but start in the middle. Okay, I got a 9 by 13 Pyrex here. I'm going to put it in. Fill it in. Cover the bottom and then up the sides a little bit. Well, a patchwork thing. Okay, we're just going to roll it out like the last one. Start in the middle and roll out in all directions. Okay, let's throw the peaches in. We're going to put the top on. Okay, we need to trim the excess off and patch up any holes so your juice don't boil out. Juice is what makes it good. Okay, I've got it set on 400 and I'm gonna set it for an hour.